Abigail Mulungi with news coming in. The Ministry of Education and Sports is considering all school visitation days and neighbors parties in the next 1 month as its students see their end of year exams. As you are aware, the country is experiencing an outbreak of Ebola virus disease, given that some positive cases have now been confirmed among learners from families of known contacts. It is necessary to strengthen the existing infection prevention measures at school level, said education official Ismail Mulindwa. In this regard, the Ministry of Education and Sports has, with immediate effect, suspended all school visitation days and leavers parties until the end of the current school term. This circular means even planned nursery school graduation ceremonies planned by teachers. My name is Abigail, and this is the news today. Parents with learners in both private and government schools will be required to dig deep into their pockets to pay for compulsory meal in a bid to boost children's health. The Board of Governors and the school food committees will be required to meet with parents and agree on how much each learner will pay. Mr. Mtekang, however, said parents who are unable to pay for the school should be allowed to give learners money to buy from the school canteens during the festival. The thing is, I'm a bigger. Uganda National Teachers Union leadership is meeting with President Yoweri Museveni to chart a way forward of a course to end the 3 weeks old strike. This follows the decision by the art teachers who lay down the issues in protest of the government's move to increase the remunerations of the science teachers. The teachers who mostly teach the arts are now insisting that the central government increase their pay to match that of the science counterparts. The Uganda National Teachers Union General Secretary Phil Babaguna rests while the arts teachers are adamant to call off the strike. Parents with learners in both private and government schools will be required to dig deeper into their pockets to pay for compulsory meal in a bid to boost children's health. The Board of Governors and the school food committees will be required to meet with parents and agree on how much each learner will pay. Mr. Mtekang, however, said parents who are unable to pay for the school should be allowed to give learners money to buy meat from the school canteen during breakfast. That was the news. I'm Abigail.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.